Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I'm in the clouds today, kind of hallucinating, because I'm making these gorgeous fluffy pancakes. You're gonna love them, they're super delicious, so let me walk you through this. So what I have here is a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of baking powder, and I'm gonna whisk this up until it's well combined. So a whisking we will go. After that, I've got a cup and a quarter of milk. And I'm going to crack an egg in here. Let's get cracking. And then just kind of mix it up. Okay, now I'm going to pour this over the dry mixture. Take my whisk and mix it until it's well combined. And if you got a few lumps, don't worry about it, that's fine. Next up, I'm going to butter my griddle. Just kind of spread this around. I'm going to scoop up, I'd say about a cup of the mixture, depending on how big you like your pancakes, but me, I like big pancakes. Add the pancake mixture on. We're going to cook this over medium-low heat just until you see the bubbles forming. You can do this in a pan too, but I'm using a griddle. By the way, did you hear about the angry pancake? It just flipped. And once it's done enough, this is about, I'd say 2 or 3 minutes on each side. We're just going to set this aside. And look how fluffy this is. Absolutely incredible. Now I'm going to put a knob of butter over the top and some of that super delicious pure Canadian maple syrup. And there you have it, our super delicious fluffy pancakes. Okay, let's give these a taste test. The syrup, the fluffiness, they're simply divine. I love them. You gotta try this, guys. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great breakfast recipes over there, dinner, lunch, whatever you like. Thanks for subscribing. See you next time.